This is my 1990 750. I just recently replaced the exhaust on it with a Cobra slip-on, which I do highly recommend. Has a great sound. Looks really cool. Very loud. You probably won't be able to hear how really loud it really is when I start it up, only because the cell phone doesn't really give you the right sound. Here's the old exhaust that was on there, stock, and it has like a catalytic converter on it. Very restrictive. I definitely do recommend taking this stock exhaust off and putting on this exhaust if you want to have this thing sound like a Harley, because it's very raspy with this new exhaust. She should start right up. Got a real cool look. Sounds real good.